Pimples, the unsightly bumps on the face, mainly those of young adolescents, can certainly undermine the confidence of youngsters. These occur mainly due to excess oil on the face, spicy and sweet foods and beverages, and at times also due to stress. Take an aloe vera leaf and very carefully remove the outer green covering. Now take 3 tablespoons of this gel, and to this add quarter teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder. Mix this well and apply it on your face. Leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes before you wash it off. Not only does aloe vera keep in check the oil on your face, it stimulates the growth of new cells and helps remove pimple marks. Take a tablespoon of baking powder, add some water to it to form a paste. Apply this on your face and leave it overnight. Wash it off in the morning and pat dry with a soft towel. Take some fresh mint leaves, wash them well and crush them. Make juice out of it and keep it aside. Take 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder. To this add enough of juice to form a thick paste. Apply this over the pimples, leave it for about 15 minutes and then wash it off. Just plain honey works wonders by getting rid of the bacterial infections on your skin. Apply it over the pimples and leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes and then wash it off. Wrap few ice cubes in a thin towel and place it over the pimple area for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then pat it dry and apply a little normal toothpaste to it. I know this sounds strange, but it actually works. However, do not use gel toothpaste. Keep your skin clean at all times, avoid sweets and oily foods, try to stay stress-free and see the pimples vanish. How does the skin become oily? It is due to overproductive sebaceous glands. This could be due to hormonal changes, hereditary factors, and even sometimes because of the unhealthy diet we consume. The excess oil clogs the skin pores, thus leading to black and whiteheads and even pimples. Therefore, it is obvious that people with oily skin need to take that extra bit of care for their skin. Egg whites rich in vitamin A helps to combat oily skin. So take the white of 1 egg, put it in a bowl, and now beat this with a blender. You have to beat it until it forms soft peaks. And now you can add juice of half a lime to this. Mix this well and apply it on your face. Leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes and do this 2 to 3 times a week to see the difference. And this remedy not only mops off the excess oil in your skin but also helps to tighten your skin. Take about 2 tablespoons of curd and beat it well. Now apply this on your face and leave it for about 10 minutes. Remember to wash it off with tepid water and do this every day before you go in for a bath. Take a tablespoon of grated apple and a tablespoon of beaten curd and also a tablespoon of lime juice. Mix it really well and apply this on your face and leave it for about 10 minutes. Then wash it off with water, pat it dry, and remember to always use a good moisturizer. So all you need to do to tackle oily skin is to just walk into your kitchen. But remember to drink plenty of water during the day and also follow these home remedies and watch your skin glow beautifully. Dark lips stand out starkly on the face and can be very disturbing. One can try to hide them by using lipstick or lip gloss, but this obviously cannot be done all the time. So what causes dark lips? Well, there are several reasons for it. Though dark complexion people generally inherit dark lips, several lifestyle factors also contribute, mainly excessive smoking and caffeine intake, some harsh chemicals in cosmetics, exposure to sun, and sometimes even hormonal and age-related factors. So let's see what simple remedies we can try at home to alleviate this condition. Take a teaspoon of lime juice and add a teaspoon of coconut oil and keep adding some granulated sugar and mixing it well with every addition. Keep adding sugar until you form a thick paste. Now use this as a scrub and gently massage it on the lips. Do this every day and wash it off with plain water. And the granulated sugar acts as an exfoliant, removing the dead cells from your lips. Apply some honey on your lips and leave it overnight. Alternatively, you can also apply some olive oil instead of honey. Take 2 tablespoons of milk and to this add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder and form a paste out of this. And now moisten your lips with some water and using a soft brush gently scrub your lips and then apply this turmeric and milk paste over your lips. Leave it on for few minutes and then wash it off. After you gently dry your lips, apply a thin layer of clarified butter or ghee. These measures, though simple, can prove to be very effective in giving you healthy colored lips, so make it a practice to follow the routine every day. Avoid smoking and drinking and live healthy. Life today, especially in cities, for a lot of people is long travel to work, even more longer working hours, not enough sleep and always being on the move. This results in fatigue and tired eyes. Though the most evident sign of tired eyes is puffiness around the eye, heaviness in the eyes and head is also another common complaint. Other symptoms include burning, irritation and redness in the eyes. Simple home remedies can prove effective in caring for your eyes. A very easy home remedy is spoons. Yes, you've heard it right, spoons. Take 2 spoons and keep them in a freezer. Remember to remove it when cold and do not let it freeze. Now close your eyes and place the spoons on your eyelids. Leave it for some time and this can reduce the puffiness around your eyes. Lavender oil is known to soothe tired eyes. So in a bowl of water, add 1 drop of lavender oil. Mix this to form a solution. Now take 2 cotton pads and dip it in the solution. Squeeze out the excess water from the cotton pads. Now close your eyes and place these cotton pads over your eyelids. Place some cotton pads in cold milk and place them on closed eyelids. This also helps reduce puffiness. Cut 2 slices of cucumber and place it over your eyelids. This helps reduce puffiness and also serves as mini ice packs to refresh your eyes. 7 to 8 hours of sleep at night will not just help your eyes but give your body that much needed rest. So sleep well and stay healthy. Aging is an inevitable part of our life cycle along with the effects on our body. One of the most visible effects of aging is on our skin, especially on the face with the appearance of wrinkles and the deepening laughter lines and crow's feet. So what are wrinkles? As we age, our skin loses its elasticity and this results in the formation of creases known as wrinkles. The fine lines around the eyes are called crow's feet and around the mouth form the laughter line. Some people age faster than others, especially those more exposed to a polluted environment, excessive smoking and drinking, and leading a sedentary lifestyle. Let's look at simple things you can do on a daily basis to keep looking younger for a longer time. Squeeze the juice out of a fresh lemon and take 1 teaspoon of lime juice and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix this well and apply it on your face. Leave it for about 30 minutes and wash it off with lukewarm water. Take a fresh coconut and grate it coarsely. Carefully squeeze out the coconut milk out of it. Now apply this milk on your face and leave it for about half an hour and wash it off with warm water. Take a small ripe banana, cut few slices out of it, and to this add about 2 slices of ripe papaya and mash this well. Now apply this on your face and wash it off after 15 minutes. As a nightly routine, try the following. Take about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of rose water. Add 3 drops of glycerin and the juice of half a lime to it. Mix this well and with a cotton ball, apply this over your face and leave it overnight and wash it off in the morning. Make sure you eat a well-balanced diet, always stay well hydrated and keep looking young. Blackheads can be seen as small spots that are either black or yellowish in color, mainly over the face, though sometimes they can be seen on arms, chest and back. These spots are the oil clogging the skin pores that sometimes turn black due to environmental conditions, and no doubt they look very unsightly and need to be removed. First, let's look at the reasons why blackheads occur. Those who have oily skin genetically are very prone to the formation of blackheads. Improper skin care and overuse of cosmetics are also reasons for the appearance of blackheads. Try this simple home remedy. Take 1 tablespoon of baking soda and to this add enough water to make a thick paste. Now apply this paste over the blackhead area and leave it on for about 5 minutes. Wash it off with slightly warm water and you can do this couple of times a week. Take a handful of fresh coriander leaves and clean them well and extract juice out of it. Take some of this coriander juice and to this add some turmeric or haldi powder. Mix this to form a semi-thick paste. Now apply this paste over the blackhead area. Leave it for about 15 minutes and then wash it off. Extract the juice out of 2 large tomatoes. Now add this juice to a bowl and to this add 1 teaspoon of honey and also add enough of oats to make it a thick paste. Now apply this paste over the blackhead area and leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. Also, the rough texture of the oats makes it a kind of face scrub and cleanses the area. If you don't have much time, just take a thick slice of a raw potato and rub it over the blackheads. Try these simple remedies and watch your skin go from blemished to clear. Often we see people having dark shadows under their eyes. This happens because of lack of sleep, aging, prolonged gazing at a computer screen, and sometimes even long hours of crying. Though dark circles do not cause any health problems, they can make a person look old and haggard, and this can cause a lot of distress for many. Getting rid of dark circles under the eyes is not really very difficult. Just walk into your kitchen and use some common vegetables to remove them and look rejuvenated. Take a small potato, wash it well, grate it and extract juice out of it. Cut small squares of cotton wool and dip it in this potato juice and place it over your eyes, making sure your eyes and eyelids are covered. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then wash it off. Do this 2 to 3 times a day daily. Take a glass of fresh tomato juice and to this add the juice of half a lime Take some fresh mint leaves and add about 4 to 5 mint leaves to it. Mix this well and you can drink this every day. Take quarter cup of fresh orange juice and to this add 4 to 5 drops of glycerin. Mix it well and now using a cotton ball, apply it over the eyes to get rid of dark circles and also to make your eyes glow. Cucumber is also very effective in removing dark circles, so take some cucumber slices and place it over and under the eyes or just dab some cucumber juice over the eyes. Rose water mixed with some cold water helps in removing dark circles and is also very soothing for the eyes. Do not overstrain your eyes and look after them well. When the weather turns cold, it often causes dry and chapped lips. It becomes painful and even sometimes bleed. People tend to also keep licking at their lips due to the discomfort, but this can prove to be more detrimental. Not only the cold, but long periods out in the hot sun can also cause dry and chapped lips. However, you need not worry as there are easily available ingredients in your kitchen that will provide relief for your lips. Take a fresh cucumber, wash it well and grate it. Extract a juice from it and apply this on your lips. Leave it for about 10 minutes and wash it off. Do this several times a day to see better results. Strange as it may sound, gently massage mustard oil into the navel and this will provide relief from chapped lips. Take a bowl and add about 1 teaspoon of castor oil, 1 teaspoon of glycerin and about 3 to 4 drops of lime juice. Mix it well, apply it on your lips and leave it overnight. Wash it off in the morning with a small cotton ball soaked in warm water. Consume plenty of water during the day and also add foods rich in vitamin A to your diet. Avoid licking your lips excessively and peeling off dry skin off your lips. These are very simple measures but proven very effective nonetheless. Moles are generally harmless tiny patches on the skin, mostly black or brown. The medical name for moles is nevy and they are nothing but a small collection of the pigment producing cells. However, because they do not look aesthetically appealing, moles can cause a lot of mental distress. Try these simple methods to get rid of moles. Take a clove of fresh garlic and crush it fine and then take some oil and apply it over the surrounding area and tie it down with a small bandage. Leave it overnight and wash it off in the morning with some disinfectant. Repeat this for a few days. Grate a fresh slice of pineapple and extract juice out of it. Now apply this juice over the mole several times a day and this will help the mole fade away over time. For a thick and warty mole, try this. Take a medium-sized floret of a cauliflower, wash it well and extract juice out of it and now apply this juice over the mole 3 to 4 times a day. When you have moles, try to be cautious about not irritating them with clothing or overexposure to sun. Take care and live healthy. I hope you enjoyed this video and if you did, remember to hit the like button and leave a comment letting me know what you feel and also check out our other videos and remember to eat healthy, stay healthy and keep looking young.